So the key ingredient in our premix is our TEC 10 Admix. Years ago, we got frustrated dosing a bunch of different admixes into GFRC, weighing each one out in small amounts and trying to get the right blend. So we came up with what is now known as TEC 10. It's an all powdered admix led off by the polymer that's in it. Is you can't make GFRC without a polymer. The polymer holds moisture in, so the thin section concrete that we're creating actually cures at a proper rate instead of dries. The other thing that we incorporated into it are the properties of a defoamer, a shrinkage reducer, a little bit of a wetting agent that acts a little bit differently than a plasticizer does, kind of helps you mix your pigments in, but it also thoroughly wets out the mix so you get a complete saturation of the mix, which is also important back to the cracking or lack thereof issue. So we've taken basically everything that you need and all the chemicals that you need for GFRC and made it into a powder, first of all, which saves on shipping if you're used to using liquid polymers, or if you live up here in the Great White North where we do, there's no freezing issues. So it ships cheaper and does everything that you really needed to do without having to source a bunch of different additives or chemicals.